Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Asian Programmer. So today we're gonna learn about another sorting algorithm called insertion sort. So first of all, let me tell you how insertion sort works. Let me show you the visual explanation of the insertion sort so you can better understand. Let's create this random array, okay? So what I'm gonna do now is apply the insertion sort on it so you can see how the insertion sort works. Now look, what it does, it picks the particular element and checks the element before in the array, and if the element is a greater than this element, then it will place right there. But if the element is like smaller, then it goes on the left side till it finds its accurate spot, like 26 over here. Now it finds 27, it checks with 38, it's smaller, 36 smaller, 26 greater, then it places in that. That's how it picks one particular element and check with all the elements to the leftmost, till he finds the smallest value or the value greater than lesser than him. So when it is found, it places the value to its original position. So the time complexity of this particular algorithm is also n square. As you can see that it picks one element and checks the whole array to its left side. So at the worst case and on average case, it takes the n squared time complexity, and in an average it might takes an n square less than n square time complexity. So let's code this sorting algorithm. So what we need to do, we need to make a void function, void insertion sort, okay, in which we will just pass a number array and integer n will be the size, or we can say, let's say size. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to make integer key I and j. Okay, now we'll make a for loop. Integer, we already make an I is equals to 1, I less than equal to size, and plus plus r. Now here we need to do few things. So our integer we have make key will be equal to number of I, that the first element, okay, and j here will be equal to I minus 1. So the j will be start from the 0 as I initialize from 1. Okay, now we made a while loop as its complexity is n square. What we need to do, we made a condition over here. If j is greater than equal to 0, and there's one more condition, if number of j, oops, my battery is low, sorry about that, number of j is greater than key. So then what we need to do, we just need to do a number of j plus 1 as the number which we need to pick will be equal. We just need to swap it, the thing you just saw it, that it swapped from the previous and the value, just the previous value go to the other the next indexes. That's what I'm going to do now. The number of j plus 1 will be equal to the number of j, okay, and we need to do j equal to j minus 1 as it goes backward till it checks. Okay, so as soon the loop will finish, it finds the spot where the keyword need to be placed. What we need to do, we just need to place number of j plus 1. We are doing the j plus 1 because in here the last time when the loop will terminate, it will goes below 0. So that's why we just need to do this. J plus 1 will be equal to the key. Okay, so that's the code for the insertion sort. Now what we need to do, let's call it print and send this number array and size as well. We're just gonna make another function called void print in which we will get an array. In this function we'll just print it. That's it. We're not gonna do anything. We can do there as well, but I will just make this in function so you can better understand. Okay, for loop integer I equals 0, I less than n plus plus I, cout, okay, and number of I. Okay, now let's make an array in the main function. Okay, integer array, let's give these random values 1, 10, 3, minus 10, minus 5, no 5, and 33. Call insertion sort, pass this array and size as well. 6 is the size of our array, so just pass this 6 and just run it. Let's see what the output will come. Okay, there is an error because I have put a point over it. Okay, that's the type error. Okay, here you go. All the array has been sorted. As our array was, let me print our array as well so you can better understand. Cout array of I, need to make a for loop of above that. Obviously I cannot print a whole array without making a loop unless I'm doing a recursive function. So what I need to do is that cout our array. Okay, that's our array, and after that we need to enter another sorted array. Okay, that's how you're gonna be understand more good. Let's run it again. So here you go. Our array before sorted is like 1, 10, 3, minus 10, 5, and 33. Well, after sorted is minus 10, 1, 3, 5, 10, 33. All of the sorted works great. Let's go to the code again. What I did in this code is that in the start I just make 3 integers, key, I, and j for the loop. That's it. Then I initialize I with 1. Okay, and I will loop through till less than the size. Then after that I just assign the key value to the first value. The I will be like the second value of the array. Okay, so the 0th index value will be not assigned to anyone. That's why I place j is equal to I minus 1. So the j will be like 0th index. So in the first time, if j is greater than equal to 0, so this condition will be true as j is 0. And then the number of j at the number array of j, that is 0 element, if it's greater than key, then this operation will occur. And in the end, we will just assign the number j plus 1 equal to key. That's it. And we just call the print function over there. And you also know how the print function works. It's just a simple loop through the array, so you can print it. That's it for that lecture today. I hope you guys like it. If you have any problem, comment me in the comment box, and do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.